Yeah, so you are with Tech by Mark. Yeah, got myself a simple fanning solution over here. It's a box fan. It's a bit more 20-inch 3-speed 90 watts, so that's 90 watts at 3 speeds, at the third speed. Okay, these are the current cards I've got. It's a 1070 Strix. I've got a XFX Merc 319, and yeah, so I've got a little laptop here. It's on Doge at the moment, using Unmineable. I've got this is nice hash, and the 6800 XT that's mining at 62.44, and we're sitting at 64 degrees at the moment. Then we have the 1070 here that is at 25.38, and also with nice hash, and this one's also sitting at a kind of, so we're 60 degrees for that. And yeah, there's the I bought just a little spare system quickly, put the XFX in there. The case wasn't too good with cooling, so I popped this almost box fan underneath it. And for the air ventilation to go outside, that's just to keep everything cool. And there we go. That basic tiny little pipsqueak of a fan is my fan that I'm using at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox this. That should be enough for that. This is a black fan. It's got a handle on top, looks like it. Oh, looks like that's feet. Another foot. And up we go. There we go, that's the box fan. Let's open this up. The fan, oh, looks pretty good. Plastic interior. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blade. It's got the fan controller at the back of it. KYT 50A, 90 watts, 220 volt. I am in South Africa, so we are using 220 volt power. Nice, good construction. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got the fan installed. It's on level 1. This thing is, I can feel it pulling. Definitely pulling the air out. Got it on setting 1, so I think that's what, 90. It's on level 1, 30 watts, so 90 for 3. So that'll be, yeah, 1/3 of that is 30 watts. Okay, I'll be back with a test to see. We're saying 63, 64, and don't know what this is, but this is probably hot. That's it. Okay guys, it's been about an hour. Temps are still on 60 degrees, 25.48 hash, 62 degrees for the 6700 XT, doing 62.4, and this has come down a lot from 90 to 71. So, has it helped? I'm not too sure. The room definitely feels a lot cooler, so that's always a good thing. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching. That was my small little review of the Bitmort 20-inch box fan. Temp check again, 61 degrees there, 70 degrees there, and I was doing some editing, so it's now sitting on 31 degrees. Otherwise, doing looking good. Okay, thank you so much. Have an awesome day and an awesome week further.